Hello everyone. Today let us practice meditation or positivity and gratitude. Sit comfortably in squaration as shown. Your back is straight. You may use a cushion to be seated or even sit in a chair if you need. Now place your palms on the knees facing up. Now let us be in Gyan Mudra, in which the index finger and the thumb forms a circle and the remaining 3 fingers stretch out. Your eyes are closed. This mudra is believed to unite the individual with the universe. It also fosters concentration and creativity. Gyan Mudra is used to open up the flow of energy throughout the body as well. Take a long, slow, deep breath in through your nose and slowly exhale out in full. Feel any tension fading away as you gradually relax deeper with each breath. Take another long, slow, deep breath in and exhale. Feel yourself getting into a state of deep relaxation. Continue to breathe slowly and gently as you bring your awareness to the top of your head. Let us visualize a warm, loving golden light spreading from the top of your head down to your toes. Feel your muscles relax as the light flows over you, surrounding and purifying you. Take a few more deep breaths and relax deeply. You are in relaxed state. Reflect on all the things you are grateful for: loved ones, sunshine, fresh air, the good things happened today at your work, beautiful moments with your loved ones, a nice compliment from a friend or a co-worker. Think of all positives. As each gratitude appears, visualize yourself saying the words thank you to each. Even if something negative happened, thank it for the lesson you learned and let it pass. Picture the person you are grateful for standing in front of you. Tell them how grateful you are for them and why. Try to make the image and feeling as real as you can. Thank the beautiful moments that you spent with your loved ones. Say thank you to each of them. Now allow the feeling of deep positivity and gratitude to come into your body. Notice where in your body the feelings is. Take a few deep breaths and allow this feeling to expand throughout the body. Enjoy the pleasant feeling gratitude gives you and feel it washing away your tension and negativity. Breathing is normal. You can remain in this relaxed state as long as you like. When you are ready, end your meditative with positive energy that you have instilled in you. Your eyes are still closed. You may massage your forehead gently and clear your eyes. Clear your face. Your ears. Your hair. Your hands. Chest and the back. Now gently rub your hands and place on top of your eyes. And gently Open your eyes inside and let the hands slowly lower down while the eyes follows the hands. Place the hands on knees in Gyan Mudra and allow yourself a few moments to adjust. Bring that feeling of positivity and gratitude with you as you go through your day or drift off to sleep. Namaste.